To add weather effect to Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to download an app called Good Luck from Galaxy Store. This app will basically unlock different plugins. So this is the app that you're looking for. Download it, then open it. Inside, we'll be able to find an extension to that app called Wonderland. Make sure to download it with the button next to it. Then when it's done, click on it to open it. After that, you'll be able to create your own moving wallpaper. If you want to use the custom image for it, click on this plus button and then select your gallery. Now you can choose whichever image you had originally on your wallpaper, and then you can click on this plus button again in the bottom right corner and go into the particle effect or preset, sorry. From here, we'll be able to, for example, select the snow, and then we can change the duration for it and adjust different settings right there. When it's done, you can then preview it. As you can see, there's the weather effect. We can then save it and set it as our wallpaper for both of the screens. Now, if we go back, as you can see, we'll get the weather effect on the wallpaper. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.